Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As per title of the video, today you'll be seeing what I usually eat in a week. My breakfast this Monday is just a cup of coffee. For lunch, I'm having minced and cheese pie and blueberry and strawberry smoothie. For dinner, we're having roasted chicken from Pack and Save, rice, kimchi noodles, and of course, Coke. After eating dinner, I usually have a cup of yogurt for dessert. I woke up feeling hungry today, that's why I'm pairing a piece of Danish bread with my usual coffee. I normally don't eat rice for lunch, and today I decided I'm having oatmeal, and I usually put slices of fruits on it to make it more appetizing. And of course, I use honey to make it sweet. I usually cook dinner during weekdays so that when Dennis comes home from work, we're already ready to eat. For dinner, we're having sinigang na baboy and rice. And of course, for dessert, I'm eating yogurt. My lunch for Wednesday is this beef paella, which we bought at Pack and Save, and kumara salad or kamote in Filipino. For dinner, Dennis ordered Jollibee spaghetti and chicken knockoff from this newly opened Pinoy food place in Auckland called Jolly Bird. It was good, but I think Jollibee's is better, honestly. We don't have Jollibee yet in Auckland, so I hope we'll have one soon. Dennis also bought Subway sandwich. This is my favorite flavor. It's called pizza sandwich, I think.
What are they?
This is me in a nutshell. I don't usually finish my food, especially during dinner. So this is the same sandwich that I'm supposed to eat last night. I was so full with eating the spaghetti and chicken that I really couldn't finish this sandwich after eating them. So this is my breakfast for Thursday. Then I'm also having these chocolates for snack today. Hey Siri, set the timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.
For dinner, I'm going to cook pasta because we still have some spaghetti sauce leftovers from a few days ago. And then I'm going to pair it with avocado and tomato salad. I saw this recipe from BuzzFeed and thought that it looked good, so I decided to make it tonight. Here, I'm reheating the spaghetti sauce and I'm just adding about a half to 1 cup of water in it. I also decided to fry chicken nuggets and wedges to go with the spaghetti. I forgot what I had for lunch on Friday, so we'll just go straight to dinner. For dinner, Denny's ordered from our favorite takeaway. We had fried rice, cauliflower and broccoli noodles which tasted similar to Filipino chop suey, and sweet and sour pork. Also, we always pair our dinner with Coke. We always wake up late during the weekends. Dennis always cooks for us every weekend, and for our brunch this Saturday, he cooked fried rice, fried some hot dogs, champagne ham, and scrambled eggs. For dinner, Dennis ordered fried chicken from a takeaway and he cooked pancit. For Sunday, Dennis got lazy cooking for brunch and we kinda slept in, waking up around 1 p.m. so I only had simple oatmeal and coffee. We usually eat early dinner every Sunday, especially when Dennis wants to have barbecue. While he's barbecuing outside, I'm also preparing our own version of ensalada. My recipe is to put anything that I can find in our pantry, like for today, I'm putting tomatoes, cucumber, mango, and red onion. And that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.